forget the things we never done. Don't let go, don't let go. Sunset with a fire in my eyes. Listen to the spirit.